guys, hope you're doing well. Coming into the end of the year, and I'm gonna go ahead and take off the rest of the month so I could spend time with the family and get some things done. And I'll be back in January with some brand new videos. There's a lot going on, especially this time of year, and I wasn't prepared for it, so I'm gonna just take a little break, and then I'll see you. I'll see you next year. I have some upcoming projects. I'll show you in a minute. Check these out. So I got this cool sub thing. It was this play set, but I think it'll be big enough to set one figure in, maybe two. I might have to take out this bulkhead that separates the front cockpit from the rest of the interior, and just maybe make it a two-man attack sub or something. But it's really cool. Got lots of possibilities here. This is the other thing I picked up. Little RC boat. Little speedboat. Yeah, I think it'll make a really cool little, maybe a fast attack special operations boat or something. We'll see. And then I found this thing. It's a Barbie case. But wouldn't it be cool to turn that into a gun cabinet, maybe? Have to spray paint it black. Replace some things. But yeah, it might make a nice little gun cabinet. We'll see what I could do with it. There you have it, some upcoming videos or upcoming projects for next year. Well, I really hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll be starting up on new videos in January. So I'll see you then. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll see you then. I'll see you next year.
We shared a silent promise, forged in fire.